Unbox the Yarbo Core package. Here are all the accessories and the attachments. Cut the box along the cutting line on the bottom of the packaging box. Push the unit out of the packaging box. Unbox the battery package. Remove the battery cover and place in the battery. Connect the cable from the Yarbo core to the battery. Make sure the battery connection is secure when inserting it. Replace the cover. Screw the anti-theft bolts on both sides using battery cover wrench. Remove the red screw cap and rubber rings on the RTK antenna mounts. Take out the high RTK antennas and align them with the connection shaft on Yarbo core. Insert the 6 RTK antenna mount bolts provided in the package and tighten them with Allen key number 2. Remove the white screw cap on the hollow antenna mount. Keep the black rubber ring in for waterproofing. Locate the hollow antenna and screw the antenna into the hollow antenna mount until hand tight. Unbox the Lawn Mower Pro package. Here are all the accessories and the attachments. Carefully lift the Lawn Mower Pro module out of the packaging box by grasping the lifting handle. Peel off the lens film. Place the module vertical stand on the lawn mower module. Raise the lawn mower module from the side. Unscrew the cutting blades bolts using Allen key. Each blade is labeled L, left, or R, right. Ensure the side marked, this side facing grass, faces toward you. Align the screw protection cover with the mounting holes on the straight blade. Insert and tighten the straight blade bolts to secure the blade in place. Apply the same procedure to the other side. Rotate the Lawn Mower Pro back to position. Carefully insert the cable into the port on the Lawn Mower Pro module. Lift the 2 locks on both sides. Slightly push the Lawn Mower Pro module towards the Yarbo core. Install plastic connector cover onto the connection part of Lawn Mower Pro. Push down the 2 locks on both sides. Push the connector in until it clicks. Lift the emergency stop button. Remove the rear cover. Press the power button until the lights on the Yarbo body illuminate. Place back the rear cover. It will then start self-checking until you hear, "Ready to work."
Ready to work.